Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carolina and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful bikini top using my new swim pattern called Giulia. You can buy this pattern from my shop on Etsy, and I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check it out. To start, fold straps in half and sew them together using a zigzag stitch. Thanks to the zigzag stitch, the seam won't snap while stretching. Back out the straps using a loop turner or a safety pin. Insert straps between two front panels marked with the notches. Then sew top and bottom edges together using a zigzag stitch. Moving on to the back panel, place strap between two back pieces in the place marked with notches. Sew the back panels together with a 1 cm seam allowance. Trim the seam allowance on the corners and back out the back panels to the right side. on the other side, insert the back panels the other way around, as the bikini has a twist at the front. Leave a small gap on the one side to then turn the bikini to the right side. Tie the knots at the end of the straps to finish them off. Twist the front panel and tie the straps together. And that's it! Your perfect Giulia bikini top. Thank you for watching.